Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. This is an autofocus performance test with the Sony A7 IV combined with the 50mm f1.2 at 1.2 shot in 4K at 50 frames per second, which means the 50mm turns out to be a 75mm equivalent due to the 1.5 crop factor when shooting in 4K at 50 frames per second with the A7 IV. Here's the same footage but slowed down at 50% speed, so you can really see and appreciate how impressive the autofocus kept up with the eye of our subject. And here's the same shot at 200%, just so we can punch in the eyes. There's a split second where the autofocus is lost and catches on the earring in the back, but other than that, it keeps up with the eye super well. Alright, that's it for this quick test. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help. And hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. And I'll see you in the next one.